They are here illegally, so they violated the law. While some of us will never agree on the tactics being used by ICE, we can agree on a few things. If you break the law, you should face consequences. And in the words of FBI's Kash Patel, nobody is above the law. Now, you may have seen video of journalist Brockman, a US citizen, being cuffed by ICE for allegedly throwing something at the ICE vehicle. Whether that's true or not, she was immediately released. Throwing an object at a moving vehicle is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable up to 1 year in jail and $2,500 in fine, depending on how much damage was done to the vehicle. I don't know what damage was caused to mommy's minivan. Speaking of Class A misdemeanors, hitting a vehicle and then leaving the scene after is a Class A misdemeanor. And if it was done intentionally, it becomes a felony. If you say that the SUV was interfering with a lawful arrest by ICE, you're mistaken. There are no emergency lights or even hazards to indicate for oncoming traffic why the ICE vehicle is stopping traffic. And there's clearly room on the right to avoid a collision. At best, he's an inexperienced driver who has little to no experience with paved roads and thinks that this construction horsey is somehow connected to the cement ground. That's less of a problem than hitting a metal vehicle. At worst, he did this intentionally, which is subject to mandatory prison time, especially if you have a prior record. One more thing. The ICE vehicle is speeding in a school zone at 8:30 in the morning. If the ICE vehicle struck a child or a pedestrian, that would be pretty bad. Unless, of course, the ICE member is not allowed to be within 500 feet of a school zone. Maybe that's why he was speeding. If you want to come at me, make sure you Google your talking points, or at least have passed a bar or tried a state or federal case. So Tom Homan, Christine Ohm, Pam Bondi, Kash Patel, and Miss Colorado's third runner-up, that excludes you.